Hi, I'm Nick, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. In this episode, we'll replace the solenoid valve in a GeneralAire GF-570 humidifier. To order online, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need a solenoid valve, an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic container. The GeneralAire GF-570 humidifier uses an electronic pulse controller to regulate the water supply to the unit. When the humidistat calls for humidity, the solenoid valve will open to disperse water over the entire pad. As air flows over the pad, it picks up moisture and is distributed around your home by your furnace. If the solenoid valve fails, the humidifier will no longer add moisture to the air, but this valve can be easily replaced in a matter of minutes. Before starting this repair, disconnect all power to your humidifier. Next, shut off the water supply to the unit. First, unclip the wires from the solenoid. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the compression nut and then remove the distributor tube. Let any remaining water drain into the plastic container. Now disconnect the water supply line. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws, then discard the old solenoid. Align a new solenoid and then tighten the screws. Now, connect the water supply line. Replace the distributor tube and tighten the compression nut. Finally, connect the wires to the solenoid. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Finally, reconnect the power. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.